What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, in today's video we're going to go over this new overlanding setup that I've created on the truck as a mobile platform to be able to travel to different lakes and start to guide on different lakes. But let's walk through this setup. So this mobile fishing base camp that I've set up has three main features. There's an internal deck drawer system inside the truck bed, this cargo rack slash canopy cover from WildTop that I've also added, and then this rooftop tent by Hayfun. Let's walk through the three different setups and show you how they all work together. Stay tuned.
Before we go forward, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and you can keep up with all the new content we put out on a weekly basis.
Let's start with the WildTop canopy system. As you saw in my previous unboxing video for this setup, this is basically a cage rack that will support a roof rack system, but also will allow us to have a sheltered canopy. If you notice, I've got them rolled up right now, but with the pull of a couple magnet straps, the side flaps come down and zipper in place, and now you have basically a covered canopy, either to shelter in place in, use it as a place to sleep, or just a covered storage system for when it rains, or you just don't want prying eyes to see what you got, or going down the road, you know, use it as protection. But it's got the safari roll-up sides, just like you saw. Easy as that. You just roll them up, throw the magnetic straps in place, and they hold both sides. And I got all the two sides and the back fold upable, so that way it creates that safari canopy. So it's either an open air rack or a closed system that you can now use as a tent. That's the WildTop truck canopy. Now let's move on to the Hayfun tent system. Now, as you notice, the truck tent is popped up already. It's got this ladder to access when you're in place. This system basically pops up. It lays flat when you're driving, and you can pop it up with a pull of a couple latches, and it'll pop right up automatically. You connect the ladder, and then you're able to get up top and into a tent. There she goes. Now, normally I'm going to be using the tent for when the kids are with me, and when I'm by myself traveling these different lakes, I'll shelter in the WildTop canopy. It's just easier. You see, there's that deck drawer system platform. Gives you a solid deck to either store gear or to sleep on. But when I'm by myself, I'll sleep inside the canopy. I probably won't pop this tent up. But that is the Hayfun rooftop tent. Just a quick side note, no, it didn't leak. We just had a big rain last night, and I left all the safari panels open for this video, and it got wet. So it's not that it's leaking, it's just we get a lot of heavy storms here in Florida. So the first piece to our overlanding setup really starts with the decked drawer system. What this allows, if you're not familiar with the deck system, it's basically a truck bed drawer system that allows you to also continue to use your truck bed for storage or hauling. But having these drawers allows you to carry a bunch of equipment with you, whether it be camping gear, fishing gear, you know, whatever you need, tools, to always be mobile and be able to do whatever you need to do on the fly. But that is the base for our overlanding kit. Starts right there with the drawer system from Decked. So that is it. That's the new overlanding mobile fishing setup that I've created with the three pieces from deck drawers, you know, the WildTop roof canopy, and the rooftop tent by Hayfun. What do you guys think? Do me a favor, hit in the comments what are the things that you think I can add to my overlanding setup? I'm looking for a portable AC. I'm also looking for a portable power station, mobile refrigerator, basically one of those refrigerator coolers. But those are those kind of things that I want to add to my setup. So let me know, what are your thoughts on those items and what else I can add to my overlanding setup to make my mobile setup a lot easier, a lot more efficient. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, thanks for watching, and until next time, tight lines.